Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Well, the gaskets are in. They're made of silicone, and they seem to be nice. They're 8-inch thick. I have the bolts all set up. These are Allen heads. They go right through there. I already see that I'm going to have some sort of issue putting these in, so it looks like some modifications are going to have to be done. Anyway, these are made for the small block MOPAR. The name of the company is Real Gaskets, Tennessee. Out of Tennessee, of course, made in the USA. And according to the company, I don't need to use RTV. So, but I got a feeling that there's going to be some modifications. First of all, the PCV valve is not going to fit in the same spot. The holes aren't punched out in the same area. And if you look at the valve cover, and I put it up against, let's just say this one here, right? Okay, so the three bolts go to the bottom. You see where the hole is? Yeah, that's in a different spot. So looks like I'm going to have to extend that line. And over here, I'm going to have to change that one out too. Oh, wait a minute. Yep, just like this. So, not only that, but let me place this on here for now. If you look at the intake manifold, you see what I had to do to these to get these valve covers to fit. I don't know if you can see that, but I had to shave it and shape it on both ends to get this valve covers to go in. So I don't know if I have to do that here. I'm hoping that I don't, but if I do, then that's just what I'm gonna have to do. So let's get this started. I'm gonna go ahead and set up a light here, and I'll be right back. Okay, I got the light set up. I got all the bolts off it, and I set up some towels just in case we get some spillage here. And before I attempt to pull these out, I noticed that there was some grit all in the threads here. So I'm gonna go ahead and blow those threads out so that I won't get any grit. In the heads. So, oh yeah. All right, let's see if I can get these off with one hand. And remember, I use Indian head on these, and they still leak a little. So I'm hoping for better luck with these new silicone gaskets and these new valve covers. So, oh yeah, that's on there. Oh, okay, okay. Here we go. Oh, the gasket stayed on there. All right. You see, this is why I have to change them. You see that cutout right there? I had to do that because the rockers were touching that. And that's why I'm having problems with the PCV valve. So let's put these right here for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do one at a time. I'm not going to take them both off because I got a feeling that some modifications are going to take place here, and I don't want to have one side exposed for too long. Anyway, let me see if I can get this this gasket off of there, clean up this area, and see how the new ones fit. I'll be right back. Okay, so valve cover is in place. It's just on there loose. See that? But you can see by the way she moves over here, it's actually hitting the intake right there, and it's not allowing it to sit completely, but not by a whole lot. I'm not sure if I want to shave it right now or wait to see if it leaks. And if it leaks, then I'll redo it, because I'm thinking of shaving it from here to here just to get it to drop down a little lower. I don't know. Something's telling me I should do it now. But then I'm thinking with that 1/8 inch silicone gasket, it might just be enough. So I think I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go ahead and get the gasket on there, tighten it down, and hope that it doesn't leak. And if it does, then I'll just redo it. Okay, so the other issue that I'm gonna have is, what am I supposed to do with the wires now? I can't get these holders back in place. There's no way I'm gonna be able to do that. That's gonna look mighty funny if I try to do that, right? So I may have to go on Amazon or eBay or Summit, Jegs, somewhere to get these wires to run in here without laying on the exhaust header here. Another thing I noticed, it makes the engine look a little beefier. Look at it from this side. See how beefy that looks? Look how puny this looks on this side. So not only is it going to work, but I think it may look better. Look at that. Looks like a bigger engine. All right, let me get this side done, and I'll be right back. All this set up here, this is nice and clean. I hit it with a little Scotch-Brite because it was too smooth, too shiny, and I didn't want that to leak. Also, I cut these little nubs off of here. Don't need them. Here it is here. So this one's ready to go. And I also decided to go ahead and put a little RTV, this ultra black oil resistance gasket maker, on the surface of this valve cover. I'm not going to put it on the head side, just on here. And I don't know, because I have a feeling that it's going to seep through there and it's going to cause a leak. So I'm going to use a paintbrush. I'm going to do like Bob Ross, and we're just going to brush it on there. We're going to put a nice light coat on here. Make it pretty, right? Just to hold the gasket in place and help with the sealing a little bit. And just go nice and soft. Don't want to make a mess, all right? Go even strokes. I want to make love to it nicely, softly, just like that. All right. Go all the way around. Anyway, you guys get the idea. So let me go ahead and get this done, and I'll be right back. This side is ready to go. Oh, I got grease stains on it. All right, let's see if I can get this on there nice and straight. Uh-oh. Here we go. Oh, I think she's in. That one's in. And that's in. Okay. Alright. I think it said it was something around 10 inch-pounds or something. I'm just gonna tighten it until it feels right. And that's it. I think as long as it doesn't squish out the side, it should be okay. And it looks like it did not hit the intake manifold there, so I think we're good. Okay, that's good. I need to get the grommet in there. I need to extend this vacuum hose so we can put this oil filler cap back in. I don't know, I may transfer it to this side here, keep the hose short. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. And then we'll go on the other side and get that one done. See you in a minute. Okay, so I made a mistake. For some reason, I was thinking that this needed to go into the intake, but I was definitely mistaken. I might have thought that this was the PCV valve. So, anyway, there it is. All I had to do was transfer the whole intake air cleaner over to this side, but it wouldn't work here and it wouldn't work around here. It was too close to the throttle cable, and I had to put it in between the throttle lever and the pump shop here. I know it's cutting it kind of close, but that's the best spot for it. It's either that or transfer it back over there and run a really long hose to that side. And it's all about aesthetics to me. It's got to look good, and that looks good. I think it's pretty safe. I guess we'll find out, right? Anyway, I'm going to get ahead and do the other side, and then I'll show you guys the finished product. See you in a little bit. Damn it, man. I like it. Check it out. Looking good. Huh? So, I think I'm gonna leave it without decals. I kind of like the way it looks. It's got that muscular look. Looks like a beefier engine now. So I'm gonna leave the decals off of it for now. We'll see. Maybe I'll change my mind in the future. But all in all, they weren't bad at all. Everything lined up perfectly. I thought that maybe these bolt holes were going to be off by a little, but no, they got it right on the money. It went on there pretty smoothly. The only issue I had was this last one, because of the blower motor here. It's right in the way, so I couldn't use the Allen key to tighten this down. But I did use a long, thin, flathead screwdriver. I was able to get it from this area here and tighten it down. And she's tight enough. Let's just hope it doesn't leak. And then I ran the vacuum lines this way, right underneath the fuel line here, to clean it up. I didn't want them laying everywhere. And it comes around here and into here. What I don't like is it looks really busy right here. I think I'm gonna wait till the season's over. I'm gonna order some new heater lines and make them longer, come through here, make the turn and go straight in to make this area right here look a little cleaner. I don't know. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Yeah, but anyway, we got a car show this weekend coming up, and here it is. Check it out. It's Cops and Robbers Car Club. Make sure you guys can see this. Hold on. There it is. And this is Saturday, August 12th. That's next weekend. Today is Sunday, and that one is next weekend. And this is in, where is it? I think it's in Hackettstown. Yep, there it is. Hackettstown, New Jersey. It's going to be a nice show. I heard that it's a nice show. So I've never been there. It's going to be my first time. It's their 17th annual. So if you guys are from the area, swing on through. Say hello. I will be there. Anyway, folks, that's going to do it for this video. Oh, by the way, the old valve covers, they are now wall art. Yeah, they look pretty good up there. Anyway, folks, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for watching. We will see you in the next video. And don't forget, car show this Saturday. Oh, let me see. What time is it? Okay, so it's from 9 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. And the rain date is Sunday, August 13th. Oh, so that's the very next day. Okay. All right, well, folks, that's going to do it for me. It's hot and muggy out here. Humidity's up high, but I needed to get this done. And it's done. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.